Hello, and welcome to this Rely365 hot alignment target video. There are several different ways to determine the hot alignment target. The most common method is a hot alignment check. This is when you shut off the equipment, lock out and tag it out, set up laser alignment equipment, and take readings as fast as possible. This is better than not doing anything, but it's certainly not the most accurate way to measure the hot alignment target. This is because in the amount of time it takes to do a hot alignment check, the majority of the running alignment change has been lost. It's actually more accurate to do a theoretical or TLC calculation. That's the difference in temperature multiplied by the length between the shim plate and the center of the shaft and the temperature constant of the material. The TLC method will not be completely accurate because it cannot account for your environment and piping geometry. This is why the absolute best thing to do is measure the alignment change. This is called a dynamic movement study. During a dynamic movement study, the relative coupling alignment is tracked from the cold offline condition to the hot online condition. Use this measured change as the target. That's the most precise way to determine a hot alignment target. For more information on ACQUIP services, training, and rental equipment, visit us at ACQUIP.com or call us at 305-538-7101. Thank you for watching.